Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's make this calendar. So at first I made these calendar pages from Microsoft Word document, and then I printed out these two pages, and these are the photo prints of that copy. Okay, now we'll cut them. There are all 12 months. So this is the anti-cutter, I'll cut the months boxes only. Be careful in this step. During this step, when you'll cut, don't cut yourself. Now these are the months. We'll cut more, just the months. Okay, now this ring, I collected it from another calendar. Cut it a little piece, and I'll make 4 holes for this ring, like so. Here, you see. Now we have to mark out the places for the holes, like so. It's very easy. Now my handy dandy hole puncher. 2, third one, now the fourth one. Okay, see, and we'll do same. So here are 6 months and all the holes. Now other 6 months, all the holes done. Here's the ring. Now this is the packaging of a coil box, mosquito coil. I'll show you in a while. See, this was the box, the outer side, and this is the inner side. Now I'll make the body for the calendar from this packaging thing, packaging paper or whatever. You'll understand how I did it. Just watch carefully. 2, because I want to make it a little bit thicker, I'll use the double-sided tape to glue them together. And I made the base thicker, adding more papers, packaging papers. Now the holes, like so. It's very easy. Now we'll add the months with the ring. Very easy, So this is it. It's done. Now I'll compare it with another calendar I made before. I have a video on it, and I'll give the link of that video in the description box below and also in the info cards. See, the new one is a little bit smaller than the old one, the previous one. They both are cute, I think. So that's it, and as always, help yourself, help others, stay elegant, take care. Happy New Year.